Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare NotebookLM and Illuminate. NotebookLM and Illuminate are AI-powered tools designed to enhance productivity and learning. NotebookLM by Google DeepMind is a powerful AI-powered research and note-taking assistant designed for students, researchers, and writers. The tools also offer citation support, making it reliable for academic and professional use. However, one downside is its limited file support, as it primarily works with text-based documents like PDFs and Google Docs, lacking compatibility with multimedia content. Illuminate, on the other hand, is an AI-powered educational tool designed to help students with studying, exam preparation, and concept reinforcement. By breaking down complex topics into simpler formats, it caters to different learning styles and improves retention. However, one downside is that it's less effective for in-depth research or advanced document analysis. Overall, NotebookLM is better for research and note-taking, while Illuminate is better for studying and exam preparation. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.